Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fitriani binti Abdul Hakim. My matrix number is YE 2016-1139. Today I will present about the company background. The brand Chatime was founded by Henry Wang Yohui in 2005 under the company La Cafa Coffee. Chatime is a Taiwan global franchise tea house chain based in Zhubei, Hsinchu County, Taiwan, and it is one of the popular brand in beverage industry with their popular drink, the Pale Milky Tea. Chatime is also the largest tea house franchise in worldwide. It is growing and expanding through franchising. At the end of 2018, the brand Chatime can be seen over in 39 countries and territories with over 2,500 outlets. In 2006, Chatime have expanded its wings by reopening its first overseas branch in California, United States, and it has expanded across the world in Asia, Europe, Middle East, and America. After successfully opening its branch in United States, the brand started to enter the market in Australia in 2009 and currently has over 30 stores operate in the whole country. Chatime was introduced to Malaysians in October 2010 and became one of favorite bubble tea drinks in Malaysia. It is the first outlet outside Taiwan in Asia. In year 2018, the outlets in Malaysia only have over 800 trained Tiristas across 116 outlets in Malaysia, and it keeps growing year by year. At first, Chatime was on under the LOOB Holdings Sendirian Berhad, who hold exclusive franchisee license from the parent company La Cafa International Co. from 2010 up to until January 2017. La Cafa then has announced that they will take over the Chatime business in Malaysia instead of LOOB Holdings due to some changes made by Loop Holding, where they illegally use unapproved ingredients as collaborations with other brands for localization purpose, which lead to breach of contract and termination of contract. On the 17th February 2017, Loop Holdings has rebranding 161 out of 165 Chatime outlets to Tea Life brand. In Sabah, there is only one outlet available now, that is in Tawau, Sabah. Since the brand has reopening the outlet or brand in Malaysia, there is higher chances for the brand to grow in Sabah, especially in Kota Kinabalu, where more of young people still looking for their favorite drinks and beverage. As this brand already known by the people in Sabah, there are a lot of people still demanding for these favorite drinks. Thank you.
For market research, in economy sector, economy can be defined as a large set of interrelated production and consumption activities that help in determining the allocation of scarce resources. The economic system consists of the fulfillment of needs of those living and operation within the economy by producing as well as consuming goods and services. It comprises all activity relating to production, consumption, and trade of goods and services in area. The economy of country is governed by its culture, laws, history, and geographic, which evolved according to its necessities. In Malaysia's economy, perform has been one of Asia best since its formation in 1963 due to the diversified and modernist economy in high levels of foreign foreign and domestic private investment. Malaysia construction industry sector covers the aspect of the planning, design, conservation, demolition, and repairing various types of building and all types of mechanical and civil engineering works, other field works involved. In Laos economy, according to the World Bank, Laos has one of the highest poverty rates in Southeast Asia, which 80% of them in the rural population work in subsistence farming. The economy relies heavily on such.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfati Binti Muhammad Zaidi. My matrix number is YE20161100. From our group discussions, company franchise that we choose is a Chatime. Franchising is an agreement where franchisor give grants or license to some right authorities to franchise. Franchising is a well-known marketing strategy for business to grow and expand in or out of country, which more reliable. This strategy also will help the brand or system is more strong and well-known in the world eyes. A contractual agreement will take place between the franchisor and franchisee. Under this strategy, the franchisor will give authorized to the franchisee to sell their product, goods, service, and right to use their trademark and brand name once the franchising obtained. In return, the franchisee will pay the franchisor one-time fee or commissions and some share of revenue as agreed by both parties during signing of franchising agreement. The word franchise is of Anglo-French derivations from France, meaning fee, and is used as a noun and as a transitive verb. Franchise system is one of alternative for take long time and more model needed. Through this system, also individual or company who wants to start up business can choose this way. As the franchisor will help them to build up to the business as a franchisor, prepare the guideline and training for the franchisee. With this way, the newbie entrepreneur will gain confidence to start business and success in their business. So, in Malaysia, there are a lot of franchising business that can seen in various industries.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Sabriani binti Basri. My matric number is YE20161113. Okay. Franchising is franchising with Chatime. After take a look in Chatime website, the company advised the new store to be located in business and shopping areas, which generate lots of shoppers, students, commuters, family, and various customers to try the drinks. After take into considerations, we decided to open in Imago Shopping Mall or Surya Sabah Shopping Mall. The first step, actually, if we want to open the franchising Chatime, we have add a step to open the franchise. The first step is to contact the Chatime Malaysia and submit the application through Chatime Malaysia website. If the application is approved, the member of business partner will contact us back to proceed with meeting. as we already meeting with the team, now we are in progress to making a plan with guideline provided by the company for the strategies. Marketing and financial plan. There are few strategic needed. There a lot of similar product offer in market right now, and we're trying to enter the market in Kota Kinabalu. How to pull the people to get test the flavor and stick with us for a long time. Marketing and collaborations with other different industry will add value to the brand and faster it growth. The critical part is the initial cost for opening business. The and the following cost needed by the owner to start business in Chatime is startup cost is 50,000, locations investment around 150,000 until 160,000, net worth is 98,000. When the contract is done, the franchise fee is the first payment, and after opening the outlets, the royalty fee and marketing fee will be charged based on sales of the outlets. As the initial cost of investment and opening new outlets is higher, we choose to combine our modal, and we will try to get loan from financial institutions as additions to our model to ensure the investment goes smooth and the business can be successful to enter the market and grow. Our mission is to ensure the Chatime drinks be known again and grow throughout Sabah as popular tea-based drink. As we became candidate of the franchise, we also schedule for training, where the training team will take us to learn, experience and test all about the store opening and closing, how to make Chatime drinks, operational report analysis, customer services procedure, advertising and marketing and more. The training will cover all needed in running Chatime. And the team will ensure the business to run in long run operations. As the motto of Chatime Malaysia, here in Malaysia, the loyalty of our customers are everything. We believe we had earned it, and we always strive to honor it. And everything we do with integrity. Therefore, Chatime Malaysia looking for businessmen that seeking freedom in running their own business, but with support and guideline. Chatime is one of the best options for them, as the company will prepare full guideline including financial planning guidelines and training them. The training also consists of field experience, how to run the business behind the counter and become tea-rista or tea breweries before signing the business partner agreement. We do believe that Chatime is one of beverage that still popular and everyone favorite in Malaysia. In Kota Kinabalu, the Chatime brand still famous before the brand out of market in year 2018. Since it out of market in Kota Kinabalu, personally we still want to test the delicious flavor offered by Chatime, and the different tastes from other brand still cannot beat their taste. So because of that and strong trust to the brand will grow in Malaysia, we decide to business with Chatime. Since the tastes are familiar with people, the youngster and people who have tasted the flavor will look for it. There will be our target market in Kota Kinabalu. We see that the people open up to seeking new tests and trying new things. Therefore, opening new outlets in Kota Kinabalu will not hurt the business and will give more options to people. As well, we give opportunity to the Chatime brand to grow and expand in Sabah. Thank you.